Evening and welcome back to another Celica video of my 1991 Toyota Celica GT, and in this video we're going to bleed the brakes again. So the last time I bled the brakes, still felt a bit spongy. They were better than they were before, but not quite right, so I think there's still some air in the system. So I'm going to have another go at getting the air out. So this time I'm going to use this vacuum kit. I was going to get a pressure bleeder, but they're not really recommended for ABS brakes, which the Celica has. So I thought the vacuum one would be a bit better. So we'll get this all set up and I'll just show you one corner. So I've got everything set up, and first thing I need to do is to create a vacuum in here. So we'll pump up this. It says 10 to 15 times, so you can see we're creating a vacuum there. And once we've done that, we can open the bleed nipple. And let some fluid out. Close the nipple. And then as you can see, there's still air in the fluid, so just let fluid out, and you can see there's still air in the system, so no surprise. So just repeat this several. Well, unfortunately it didn't go too well. There was air getting in, so it was just a bit difficult to get the air out. I don't think there was air in the system anyway. So I'm just going to button everything up and wrap it up there. Bit of a fail there, but never mind. Don't think there's air in the brakes. It's just this vacuum bleed is not very good. Well, that's it for this video. Bit of a fail, but at least I'm happy there's no air in the braking system, in the hydraulics. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, click the notification button. And as ever, thanks for watching. Now I'll see you there.